hospitals here on University Avenue are well prepared to handle anyone who shows up with flu symptoms. Now, eventually, doctors say we should expect death, especially since the pandemic level was raised this afternoon.
I have decided to raise the current level of influenza pandemic alert from phase 4 to phase 5.
Phase 5 is a strong signal a swine flu pandemic is imminent, meaning there is sustained human-to-human spread in at least 2 countries. There are confirmed cases now in Mexico, the US, Britain, Israel, New Zealand, Spain, and 19 here in Canada.
All countries should immediately now activate their pandemic preparedness plans.
The backdrop to Ontario's press conference on the swine flu shows the best ways to prevent its spread: sneezing into your sleeve and good hand washing skills. And it was here that they announced that the number of confirmed cases in the province has gone up.
There is 4 cases in Durham, so it's 3 yesterday and 1 more additional. 2 cases in York, that's 1 additional compared to 1 yesterday. And 1 case in Peel.
That's a total of 7 now in Ontario, and for the first time we're learning some of them caught swine flu in Cancun, a popular tourist destination with Canadians. All are in their 20s. Should passengers on their flights be concerned? Are you contacting passengers on their flights?
The number of people coming back have perhaps come ill after they returned from Mexico. They may have been incubating it at that time.
The first swine death has now been reported outside Mexico. It happened in Texas. The victim, a 23-month-old boy, but he's not American.
This child is a resident of Mexico who traveled to Brownsville, Texas to visit family. It was there in Brownsville where the child first became ill.
In Mexico, the epicenter of the outbreak, swine flu is suspected of killing more than 159 people and making about 2,500 sick. Little 5-year-old Edgar Hernandez is believed to be patient 0, the first person infected with swine flu.
Did you have a headache? Dolor en la cabeza?
He's recovered now, unlike other Mexicans, but we shouldn't rest easy knowing swine flu has only affected Canadians mildly.
The worst pandemic of the last century started out mild in the springtime. It was fairly quiet during the summer, and then in the autumn when it really exploded, this was in 1918,